Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce using all-purpose cream. First, begin by gently sautéing your chosen aromatics, such as minced garlic or finely diced onions, in a tablespoon of oil until they are fragrant and softened. This step builds a foundational flavor for your sauce. Next, pour in 1 cup of all-purpose cream, stirring continuously as it slowly heats. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, but avoid a rolling boil to prevent separation. To achieve your desired thickness, mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 2 teaspoons of cold water to create a slurry, then slowly whisk it into the simmering cream. For deeper flavor, consider stirring in 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese or a 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. A small pat of butter, about 1 tablespoon, swirled in at the end, will add a luxurious sheen and extra richness. Always taste and adjust seasonings. This versatile cream sauce can be adapted for many dishes. For a quick pasta sauce, simply add cooked chicken or shrimp and your favorite steamed vegetables. You can also use it as a base for a creamy mushroom sauce, perfect over steak, or as a rich sauce for baked chicken. Experiment with different herbs like fresh dill or parsley, or add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. It's delicious over rice too. For the best results, always keep your heat setting on low to medium-low. High heat can cause the cream to curdle, resulting in a grainy texture. Stir your sauce frequently, especially as it thickens, to ensure even cooking and prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Remember to taste your sauce at every stage and adjust the salt, pepper, and other seasonings as needed. Leftovers can be refrigerated for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.